Hey everyone, and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this amazing math question, and you are trying to solve in 10 seconds. Then you are really smart. Okay, so try to solve in 10 seconds, and your time start now. Your time's up. Here our question is 10 times 5 minus 2, and this is 2 divided by 0.5. Then this is close to square plus 50. This is the question, and here is also the bonus question. And we will follow your PEMDAS. Okay, so as we know, we have to solve for this parenthesis part first. Let's erase unnecessary things. Okay, yes, we have to solve this parenthesis part. So inside that we have 2 divided by 0.5, or we can say 2 divided by 0.5. When we remove the decimal, we will multiply with 10. 5 times 2, that is 10, and 2 times 2, which equals to 4. So we can simply write 4 on the place of this division. Okay, so we will write 10 times this next here 5 minus 4 square plus 5050, and again 4 square is 4 times 4, which equals to 16 here. So we'll simply write 16 on this place, and here we write 10 times 5 minus 16 plus 50. Okay, now we will again we have to solve this, and we will get 5 minus 16, that is equal to minus 9 here. Okay, wait. 5 minus 16, that is equal to minus 11 here. Sorry for my mistake. We will write here change minus 11. Okay, so we will multiply then 10 minus 11 plus 50 according to PEMDAS. Next principally given to multiplication, so we will multiply this. 10 times minus 11 will give result minus 110 plus 50, and this will give what? Minus 60. So here minus 60 is the right answer. And coming to this second bonus question, we have 8 divided by 2 cube times 4 plus 6 minus 10. So for this, we again follow the same exponent part first, which is 2 cube, and 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 4 times 2, that is 4, 4 times 2, that is 8. So we'll simply write 8 here. So we will be right here. Let's change our color to yellow. Okay, 8 divided by 8, we will write here simply 8 times 4 plus 6 minus 10. Here again we have to do left to right here, because multiplication is the same priority, and also the addition and subtraction of the same priority. And we have to solve this left from very left. 8 divided 8 will give result 1 here, so we will write 1 times 4 plus 6 minus 10 here, and we will do multiply this. 1 times 4, which equals to 4, plus 6 minus 10, and here left to right 4 plus 6, which equals to 10, minus 10, and 10 minus 10 will give result 0 here. So right answer is 0, and must check out this emoji based question, and you can solve all math question, and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.